Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So guys, today's video is about hair growth, moisturizing hair growth DIY treatment. So this is my hibiscus, the one that I use on my other video. Just in case you have not seen it, I'm just going to leave it at the card or at the end screen. Just go and check it out. So inside the jar I have fenugreek seed and black seed, as you can see inside. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water inside the jar to help to soak the fenugreek seed, black seed, and the hibiscus. So guys, everything is going to soak. I'm going to keep it overnight. So I'm also going to add some hibiscus inside this jug of camera. So I'm going to keep it overnight and allow it to soak very well. So guys, this is the next day. This how my DIY treatment is looking like. So I'm going to transfer everything, the black seed, fenugreek seed, and the hibiscus inside my blender to blend and make and turn it into a paste. So in here I'm going to also add this my DIY. I'm going to add avocado and honey inside this DIY treatment. So avocado and honey is also good for our hair, help to grow, help to keep our hair moisturized. Hibiscus help to stimulate hair growth, it help with split end, and also help to reduce graining in our hair. So which is so good guys. I'm going to add olive oil to this treatment now. So I'm going to add about a spoon of olive oil to this treatment. So guys, all this DIY treatment you are seeing here have one way or the other to contribute to our hair growth. They stimulate hair growth, they keep your hair moisturized, they also reduce dandruff, they also get rid of dryness in our hair, they also help to keep your hair out of dandruff and also keep your hair moisturized, grow strong, stimulate hair growth, and keep your hair out of danger. So guys, after blending, this how it's looking like. So I'm not going to use it like this on my hair. If not, I'm going to spend 100 years in the bathroom. So I'm going to take this my cloth and transfer the paste inside this cloth and use this cloth to kind of get rid of all the residue and take only the one that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to transfer everything inside this place. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch my video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are just passing by, thank you for passing. Please don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video, and also remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss any of my other video that is coming your way. So guys, after putting everything inside this cloth, I'm just going to press to get the smooth paste out of this DIY treatment. So it's not that difficult, it's so easy for you to do. Just press and you will see the smoother paste will be coming out just on it all without you putting more effort on it. So as you can see, they are coming out just like so, and the paste is so smooth. So guys, after um using that cloth to get out the smoother paste, this is how my DIY treatment is looking like. So looking so good, and I love it so much. So everything is already inside. Just going to mix. Then this is the residue that I got. Imagine this on my hair when I leave the bathroom. So this is the residue. I'm just going to throw this away because I don't need it. So guys, it's time for me to apply this to my hair. I've already applied to the other part of my hair, so I'm just going to show you guys this on camera. So just sit back and watch for the end result for me to show you how it moisturize and keep my hair so beautiful and nice. So when you are done, cover your hair with a plastic bag and leave the treatment on for an hour or two. So this is after rinsing out the treatment. See how my hair is looking like, guys. Can you see those coils that is pumping? My hair feels so moisturized, so good, and also looking so shiny. I love this treatment so much. So if you are not giving this treatment a try, just give it a try. Do this once a week and you are going to love your hair. You are going to love the result that you see on your hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. I cannot thank you guys enough. So this is how my hair is looking like. If you like, you can just style your hair like this. If you like, you can use a conditioner. That is all left for you to decide. But for me, my hair is going to just remain like this. The next step for me is to style my hair because my hair feels so moisturized. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.